We'll need some alcohol and aloe, make our own sanitizer, yeah.
Disinfectant, ooh, disinfectant.
A live stream yoga channel and outside walks or runs, oh yeah.
I will stay healthy, but no, I won't get wealthy.
Got some groceries today, now I'm all stocked up okay. With a 40-minute line waiting just to get inside coronavirus.
No, 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 no.
No coronavirus, you're not gonna get us down.
Coronavirus, boy, coronavirus.
No coronavirus, you're just the uncool kid in town.
Coronavirus, boy, coronavirus.
You are a brute, it's time to scoot coronavirus.
No, 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 no.
The nurses and the doctors are the real superstars, oh yeah.
They keep on treating, ooh, without retreating.
Hundreds have been healing and the cure isn't far, oh yeah.
We're celebrating while annihilating.
While we're sheltering in place, it will save the human race. The economy might stink while our stocks have gone extinct. Coronavirus.
No, 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 no.
No coronavirus, you won't take all our fun, oh yeah.
Coronavirus, boy, coronavirus.
No coronavirus, you'll lose against the sun, oh yeah.
Coronavirus, boy, coronavirus.
Oh, you just wait, we'll vaccinate coronavirus. No coronavirus, the CDC is after you.
Dr. Fauci, ooh, Dr. Fauci.
No coronavirus, don't think you're gonna make it through.
Bye, corona, bye, bye, corona.
You are an ass, you have no class. Coronavirus.